Welcome students, welcome to your class. So today we'll be discussing about the last topic of your third chapter, that is back pain. So we'll discuss briefly about you. Every person knows about back pain. ठीक है, चलो I'll explain everything in brief. So it's not a problem of it's a problem of all ages. Back pain, it's a problem of all ages. Ki even though the person of 10 years age can have this problem, person with 25 year of age can have problem, person with having 35 or 50 or more than 50 can face this problem of back pain. ठीक है, reason might be anything. ठीक है कि डिग सकता है, मे बी एक्सीडेंट और डिफरेंट लाइफस्टाइल और डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम्स. सो every person is prone to this kind of injury, whether it's a boy or a girl or a child or adult, male, female, everyone. So it is mainly experienced by, mainly what research says कि back pain is mainly experienced by the people those who are above the age of 35. Because muscles might become weak at that time. So there might be reason कि you must try to keep yourself back strong with the help of exercise, with the help of yoga asanas which are given in your book. You should practice these yoga asanas regularly so that you can keep this problem away from your body. ठीक है, चलो we'll start with what is written in your book. So I have given you the brief. Back pain is a pain felt in the back that usually originates from muscles, nerves, bones and joint or other structures in the spine. How many vertebrates are there? It can be muscular pain, it can be a bone joint pain. It can lead to back pain. Back pain may have sudden onset and can be chronic pain. It can be constant or intermittent, say in one place or radiate to other place. Sometimes this back pain starts from here and it goes up to the toes, to the legs. It get transferred to it because nerves are interrelated. Nerves are attached to it. So people face many problems. They are not able to walk, they are not able to sit, they are not able to sleep properly. So they are not able to do their daily routine work. वो काम नहीं कर सकते हथी, ठीक है जी. So it may be dull ache or sharp or piercing burning sign. The book says that it might be a small problem, like but small body problem or body ache or back ache कि थोड़ा जी हुई within 1 or 2 days vanished, but it might be severe. ठीक है जी. These symptoms may, like what the pain may radiate into arms, hands as well as legs to feet and may include symptoms other than pain. ठीक है जी. Sciatica nerve है, back pain है जो थोड़ा तक legs तक transfer होती है. The person face severe pain in his legs. So these symptoms may include tingling, weakness or numbness. The spine is a complex interconnecting network of nerves, joints, muscles, tendons and ligaments, all of these which are capable of producing pain. So if you have any problem in your nerve, कि vertebrae भी problem है, कि मनके दे विच कोई फर्क है, then it can lead to back pain, or it can lead to it is connected with another nerve and it is producing pain in leg also and arm also, anywhere in your body. Large nerves that originate in spine and go to the legs, arms can make pain radiate in extremities. So this line means कि small pain can go up to a limit, to a high limit which is not bearable by a person. The person can be bedridden. So try to cure your backache as early as possible and try to adopt physical exercise in your daily routine so that you can keep your back fit. So there might be a few reasons, I can say. The causes are not, but causes might be कि you might be having a sedentary lifestyle. means you are not taking any walk, you are sitting on sofa for whole day, you ठीक है, you are watching TV for whole day, sitting on sofa or chair, working in the office for 8 hours, 10 hours, ठीक है, sitting on same chair, hard chair, ठीक है जी, or we can say that driving a car, big example, for 8 hours, 6 hours, it can lead to back pain, ठीक है जी. So next topic is, so this was the introduction. So we'll be discussing about prevention of back pain. So I have written 7 points which are mentioned in your books. I'll be explaining each and every point which is there. ठीक है जी. Number 1, regular exercise. Regular exercises of your body plus back can help you to reduce or get away from back pain. Means if you are having back pain, take some medicine prescribed by a doctor, and when that pain goes, then try to get your that muscle strong which are involved in that ache or back pain. आप muscles को strong करो back वाले with the help of exercises or yogasans, so that you should make those muscles strong, so that you should not feel that मतलब कि pain normally. So ठीक है. Next is body weight. Body weight also plays a very important role. Like what, there is one thing, sorry, like what, some people are having a very heavy weight. I'll draw one diagram like what, the body structure. If the person is having weight, this is the person's stomach, ठीक है, this is the spine. Spine usually is like this, ठीक है जी. But if the person weight is more, like it is a belly, stomach, मतलब इन्होंने ऐसे तरह, the spine will bend like that. It is written in your book in upcoming chapters. This is called lordosis. This is a postural deformity. And that leads to back pain, severe back pain. If the spine bends like this, it is called lordosis. You can go through it in your 1 or 2nd or 3rd, 5th or 6th chapter. It is mentioned, lordosis. This is postural deformity. It is back pain is common in pregnant ladies also. But it is after giving birth to a baby, it vanishes. ठीक है जी. So body weight is a very, very big problem. So try to reduce and keep yourself fit. ठीक है जी. Next step, with the help of exercise. Posture when standing, very important. कि how you are standing. You might have seen army people, they stand like erect like this. They don't move usually. ठीक है. आप कहते हैं इस तरह होगी, कहते हैं इस तरह होगी, कहते हैं उस तरह, because you don't have strength in your legs. But if the soldier, they are told they are not to move, they don't move for hours. So you should stand properly with weight bearing on both the legs. ठीक है जी. खड़ो बिल्कुल प्रॉपर तरीके ना, so that you should should be weight should be proper on both feet. So next is posture when sitting. Earlier it was standing, then sitting. If you are sitting for longer hours, or you are working in an office, bank, or any of the work, computer ਦੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ बैठे हो, you should sit in a proper posture. Proper posture, proper chair should be there for sitting, so that you should work comfortably for hours. Otherwise, your chest should be straight. You should not bend like this in front of in that bench. ठीक है? You should not lean towards that paper on it. It should be elevated. Sometimes you might have seen offices कि वो शीशे दा रखा होता आगे. The people read like this. They don't bend on that table for reading of that paper. So ठीक है? So you should sit properly with some thing under your feet. लोग रख लें ताकि you should sit comfortable. You can sit for comfortable for hours. ठीक है जी? Then lifting things, very important. I'll give you one example for this also. Suppose if you want to lift weight, I can give you example of weight lifters also. You might have seen कि what do? this thing you keep in your mind ki, and if your mother or father says ki please pick up this flower pot and keep this flower pot to that place, pick up this flower pot from this place and shift it to that place. The main thing you have, if the flower pot is heavy according to your weight, then what you have to do, you must lower down your center of gravity. Means ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਝੁਕੋ, bend your legs. You might have seen weightlifters, ਉਹ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਝੁਕਦੇ, ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ. Then they get up, then they lift up the weight. You might have seen in that on TV also. ठीक है जी? Means you should lower down your center of gravity. सिद्धा इस तरह झुक के चीज ना चुको. You don't bend your this back like that. You must bend your knees, center of gravity low कर लो, then lift up your things and tighten your stomach. देखो ना, why I am telling you to tighten up your stomach, because अब देखो, अब spine है, इतने ribs आ गए, these are ribs. अपने ribs नहीं थे, ribs, पर आ pelvic है, this thing is hollow, ये चीज़ तो hollow है ना, these are ribs, this is pelvic, आ जड़ी चीज़, but आ चीज़ तो hollow है ना, तो इतने थोड़ी injury होने का डर रहता है. So it can lead to injury also. So if you want to lift that flower pot, lift it with the center of gravity low and tighten up your stomach muscles so that it should help this, you should not get injury. Basically thing is that. So these muscles, they give strength to your back. ठीक है जी? So I have given you one technique of lifting the things. Next is, do not lift and twist at the same time. Again, if you are lifting anything like flower pot and heavy, जिमें कणक दी बोरी हुई या anything, सीमेंट दी बोरी, don't lift it and just turn like that. ठीक है जी? So because if you turn like that, then it may lead to the severe back pain, or problem will be there in your body or at your back. So what you have to do, you must lift that thing and take it straight away to that place where you want to keep it. Don't lift it up and twist like that only. If you want to move your whole body, don't twist it like that. Okay? So the last point is moving things. Very important. Suppose, I'll give you an example. Suppose this is the chair. You want to मतलब कि push, मतलब कि you want to shift this thing to one place to another. ठीक है जी? So you can what you have to do, you can push it like this, but don't pull it heavy like what someone tell you that please shift this bed from one place to another. What you will do? You have to pull it. Don't pull it. Or take help of 2 or 3 persons, because beds are heavy. If you do it like that, then it can lead to back injury. You can push it, but you can't pull it like this. You should not. You can push it with the support of your legs and with the help of few persons, which can help you to shift that thing from one place to another. So this completes our last topic, that is back pain. So study it properly. And there are some asanas given. Asanas are common. Some Bhujanga-asana, Tadasana, Vakrasana. These are common asanas which are useful for back pain also. So you must go through these asanas and try these asanas at home. These are very, very easy topics. Okay? Some asanas are Tadasana, Ardha Mastendrasana and Vakrasana and Bhujanga. These are common in all back pain, asthma, everything you have studied. Okay? So go through it once. Then if you have faced any problem, then send the message, we will solve it. Okay? Thank you so much.